Good afternoon, guys. Today we have a Clasico. We are on Sector B, so let's go in and check it out. So this is the house that we're looking at in front of me, and just down there is the golf club. So you've only got a short walk to the golf club, and if you go up the other end of the road further up, you have all the amenities. So let's go inside, have a look around. You have a little pedestrian gate here. And you've got a lovely little area here where you can do some potting with plants and that. A couple of steps up onto the terrace. Now when we get up into the terrace here, I'll just pan around because the sun is in my eyes. So you've got a nice little terrace here, where you can just put some rattan furniture and sit and enjoy a nice cup of tea and the newspaper in the morning. You've also got these beautiful Spanish tiles around the wreckers. You've got blackout blinds, wreckers and insect screens throughout this house. Got a lovely lantern there to light the porch up in the evening. And the wrecker, you've got insect screens on here. So we're just coming inside, guys, and this is a beautiful example of a Clasico. It is on Sector B and it's close to the amenities and the golf club. So you have got a ceiling light and fan there, very decorative. And you've also got aircon. On the windows you've got wreckers and blackout blinds, and you've got insect screens. Just shut this door here for a minute. I'm going to bring you around. You've got a wall panel heater there. I'm just going to pan around for you to give you an idea of the room. So I'm just going to go up this end of the room and pan around for you guys. So it's a good size living space. I'm going to go through the archway there and we'll have a look at the guest room first and then the bathroom after that. So this is a beautiful, bright and airy bedroom, as you can see, and you've got your ceiling light and fan just above. You've also got your wall heater there, insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows. And as I pan around, you've got your overhead storage and your double wardrobes. So really nice, bright and airy bedroom. So let me take you inside and we'll have a look at the bathroom. So just in here you have your bright and airy bathroom. It's all done in white with blue accents. You've got that lovely blue trim breaking up the white tiles. You have got a bidet and a WC, and over the other side of the room you have your basin and pedestal. You have your shaving socket there and your switches just over your towel rail. And if I just show you there, just above the door you've got a heater. Pan around a little bit here, you've got your frosted glass window, the sun shining through, and you've got your shower attachments just over the bath here. So really nice bathroom suite. So let me take you into the master bedroom now. So just in here, you've got a beautiful bedroom done out really nicely. You've got switches and sockets on either side of the bedroom. Just above, you've got ceiling light and fan again. Got your wreckers, insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows. And at the pan round, you've got your overhead storage and your double wardrobes. But come down here, you've got a large set of drawers there, so you can see they're quite chunky. So it's quite a spacious bedroom in here. So let me go back through the living room. Here is your kitchen. You have overhead storage, plenty of top and base units, integrated oven and hob, and your sink and drainer. And just on the other side of the room, you've got your washing machine, your fridge, freezer, and plenty of more storage above. So let me take you outside. Now the beauty of this Clasico B, it's not overlooked from anyone at the back, and I will bring you upstairs. Lovely views, but it's a bit windy, so I may not just talk when I'm up there. So just here you can have a bit of lunch outside in the sunshine, as you can see. I come all the way up. Got a place for hanging your clothes there. Just there. Beautifully decorated. And this house is pristine and very, very well maintained, I've got to say. So let's just go upstairs and I will see you in a moment, guys. Now we're up here, and as you can see, there's lights on the walls on the rooftop area here, and you've also got 2 lots of storage. You've got your pergola over here as well. Now I'll show you from a different angle. There's a rack of furniture under that black cover there. We've also got barbecue, and over there in the distance is the golf club, 5 minutes away. We've also got an electric point up here, so you could put a hot tub if you wanted to, or just plug in your boom box and have some music while you're having your barbecue. Absolutely fabulous position this Clasico's in. It's on Sector B, and there's no other Clasicos overlooking you from the back either, you know. So I'll take you downstairs. And as you can see, you have total privacy. The only one that may be peeking in on you would be the birdies. So if you're interested in this property, guys, do contact Dawn info@lettoseltobuy.com, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Do share and like and subscribe, because every time I put up a new video, you'll be given an alert. Okay, take care.